Welcome to my ultimate branding course, UBC review. In this review video, I want to show you all the details that you need to know about this ultimate branding course. And if you stay till the end of this video, not only you're gonna have enough knowledge for you to make an informed decision, but you're also gonna have a chance to receive our exclusive bonus if you decide to pick up this UBC course today. My name is Daniel Cho, co-founder of the Wealth Warriors. So what is the ultimate branding course? So this UBC course is actually designed to hold you by the hands and show you step by step how to launch your own digital marketing business and selling your own digital product online as a complete beginner. And before I show you all the course modules, I want to let you know this huge bonus, okay? So this course actually comes with the Master Resell Rights. So what is Master Resell Rights? Master Resell Rights, aka MRR, it means that when you pick up this course, not only can you learn from this course, if you like it so much, you also have the right to sell this course as your own. So everybody buy this course from you, you make 100% profits from it. And based on my own experience, I can tell you in 2024, selling Master Resell Rights product is the fastest way for beginners to achieve financial freedom online. Because every single sale you make, you keep all the profits without sharing it with anybody. You keep 100% of the profits. Let me show you the actual results from me and Nate by selling Master Resell Rights product. In just a little bit more than 30 days, we brought in over $16,000. Let me refresh this page so you know this is real. Boom, $16,000. Not only that, let me also show you other people's results, okay? So this is the actual course, ultimate branding course. This is the back end. So let me go to this area. I'm just gonna randomly show you other members' results. Aisha, first UBC sale. Ashley, $9,000 in March. Aisha, 7,000 pounds in 29 days. Amanda, $90,000 in 90 days. This is crazy. Yasiri, finally made my first sale. Merv, first sale. Debbie, first sale. Maria, another sale. Elizabeth, sales coming in. 35 days, $3,500 revenue. Cindy, $10,000 in 1 month with UBC. Laura, $2,500 first month. Marian, 2 sales of UBC. Marisa, first sale. Kendra, finally got my first sale. This is me, $4,000 in 1 week. Kristen, first UBC sale. Robin, first sale. Felicia, first sale. 4 days after launching UBC. Right? You see all these people, right? They are reselling UBC as their own course because UBC give you Master Resell Rights. So you can see how powerful it is. Carly, 6 sales in 10 days. Renee, $1,000 in 1 day. Gina, made my first UBC sale today after 13 days in. Salvatore, first UBC sale in just 6 hours of joining. M, first sale after 19 days. Corny, this is crazy. 36 sales in 38 days. Sarah, made my first sale 7 days after. Kate, first sale in 2 days. Erica, I made a sale. Marisa, $4,000 in 1 day. Renee, $17,000 in 33 days. Lori, over $11,000 in less than a month. Kathleen, got my first UBC sale within 24 hours. Darya, first sale. Sarah, sold 3 within my first week. Kushi, oh my god, I made my first sale in just 7 days. Nate, my partner, 4 times return of investment in just 48 hours. I can go on and on and on. A lot of people are getting results. Okay? If you decide to pick up this UBC course today, you're actually gonna get 2 for 1 deal. What do I mean by that? You're actually gonna get an amazing bonus from me and Nate. We're gonna give you our own paid coaching program, 1 month free, okay? You see, Wealth Warriors VVIP, this is our own coaching program. Right now, it's selling at $247 a month. We're actually gonna give you 1 month free as a bonus if you decide to pick up UBC today. So you're only paying for 1 price, but you get 2 offers, okay? You're gonna get UBC, you're also gonna get our own paid coaching program, 1 month free. Now, let me show you what you're actually gonna be learning inside UBC. This course actually comes with 4 different languages: English, Spanish, Dutch, and French. So you can learn from one of these 4 languages. Now, let me show you the course module. Inside the classroom, you're gonna learn how to build your own funnel, how to build your own store with all the templates ready for you. So within a couple of clicks, your store is ready. You're also gonna learn how to build your brand using social media. You're also gonna learn how to launch your own product, how to use Instagram to drive traffic to get leads, how to use TikTok, how to create content, right? Let me show you. The course is very, very detailed, step by step, okay? You're also gonna learn how to do email marketing, how to do attraction marketing, how to be efficient as a digital marketer, how to stay organized, how to create reels as a complete beginner, how to use Velo, CapCut to edit your video, make them in high quality, completely for free, how to deliver value video, how you actually provide value to your audience so people want to follow you and buy from you, right? This module gonna teach you how to deliver value without being an expert. Super powerful. You're also gonna learn how to sell Master Resell Rights product and make those 100% profits. If you want to do faceless marketing, you want to make money online, but you don't want to show your face for whatever reason, you can also learn inside this module. You're also going to learn how to do beauty business branding if you are in a beauty niche, how to develop that winner mindset, how to sell your products and services online, what's your daily method of operations. If you want to create your own affiliate program for your own product, you can also learn how to do that. So you can have other people promote your product for you, then you make more money. You're also going to learn how to use ChatGPT to streamline your content creation process. This part, I like it the most. Inside UBC course, unlike other courses that you may purchase in the past, which left you alone by going through videos after videos by yourself. With the Ultimate Branding course, not only you can learn from the step-by-step video course, you're also going to be able to jump on live coaching calls. They actually give you coaching, which is very rare, okay? You can actually jump on live coaching calls with UBC coaches. Let me remind you again, not only you get coaching from UBC, you also get coaching from me and Nate 1 month for free as your super bonus if you pick up UBC today. Now, what is the price of buying UBC? So if you decide to move forward today, you're going to get 2-for-1 offer. You're going to get UBC and also our Elite Income Empire 2.0 coaching program, 1 month free, okay? Our coaching program right now is selling at $247 a month. You're going to get 1 month free. UBC by itself is $499. So today, you're going to get 2 products by just paying one price, $499. So if you think this is for you, if you want to build a successful online business, if you want to work with me and Nate directly, 2 7-figure entrepreneurs, let us hold you by the hands, build out a successful business in the next 30 days. Click the link in the video description and pick up this UBC course. After you pick up this UBC course, you're going to receive a confirmation email for you to access the course and also for you to claim your 1 month free coaching with me and Nathan. I will see you at the top. Let's go.